Hello everybody, Mr. Storm here. Welcome back to Factorio. In the last episode, we worked on getting the remaining inputs all plumbed in and hooked up for our what is it? Electronic processing boards is what they're called. Electronic processing boards. We got it all hooked up. Everything is built in, and I ran it for a little bit to let everything hook up. I did miss one little thing. This pipe. Connecting those two. Got that fixed. And we're now full up on that supply chest. That's good to go. We just now need to work on the loading bays for output rather than input. And we worked on the first couple. We have this one here. And we need to work on this one here. And then keep on going. So, that is what we are going to do. So, before we go any further, let's go ahead and queue in. That goes onto the train. Onto the train. This. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. So, let the bots take care of that for a little bit while we work on the rest over here. Now, I should have a requester chest somewhere requesting those, so I can just go ahead and dispose of them. I believe I hooked those all up. Okay. That's all good there. Alright, over here is going to be a tad more complicated. Well, not here. This is going to be fairly straightforward. Alright. Here's the way we're going to do this. What else is on here? Oh, electronic components. Yeah, there we are. Alright. And then there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ooh. That's 1, 2, 3. This will be number 4. And number 5 will be here. Right, that is how it's lining up. Yep. Number 5 will be there. Now, question is this going to work? Well, that's going to bump right into where we need it to be. Okay. So, we're going to have to move this. A little bit. It's going to create a little gap in the network, but that's not a problem. Then we can figure out how the belts are going to route around all of that. I think. Ooh. That is going to be a problem. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. We can have a gap there. Not the end of the world. Not the end of the world to have that gap there. We have larger gaps elsewhere. Ah. And that is going to be a problem. Far larger problem than just one roboport. That is not going to go there. That is going to have to go. Much easier if it goes there. Okay. This is going to be the purple circuits anyway, so the further south it is, you know, it doesn't hurt anything. Okay. We can put that away. We don't need that. All right. All right, all right, all right. You just need to back that off a little bit. Something more like... That. So now I just have this right there. Which that'll be easy. We just redo that. That should work. No, it won't. Aw. That's a bit of a problem. Okay. I don't like doing it that way, but that's the way we're gonna have to do it. Alright, dispose of the junk we don't need. Okay. Alright. Now, next thing we need to worry about. The thing is, I'm not entirely sure we're going to be using the belts in this way. I'm not going to put those belts in just yet. I am going to do... I'm going to put that there. That should work there. And we'll put an extra one here. There we go. And this is going to be easily fixed by just backing these off. And those off. No, wait, that's the tree that's causing the problem. Otherwise, it fits. Okay, good. Stuff is on the way. Okay. So now we need to route some belts. Alright, first belt we need to route is this one. And we're gonna bring it on this side, if at all possible. Go in there. Either that or bring it down over here, route it over there, and bring it down there. Let's see what is going to be the best way to do this. Or maybe I'll just remove that belt system. And redo it. Well, the loaders are going to be there. The belts are going to be in a different orientation. Okay, so I think it makes more sense to bring the input belts in over here. Except for this one. This one can come on over there. Well, or maybe it will work this way. For the blue and the red. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. At the very least, these two need to come in the other way. So I would like to bring it through here, if at all possible. Oh, that's too large of a gap. Unless put that underground. So that'll have to be one down. Okay. Need is a belt running through here. And that can connect like that. All right. What line will it be on? That line. No, not that line. It will be. Is that the farthest out it goes? Yep, that's the farthest out it goes. Will be on this line. But it's gonna have to actually jog over here. Actually, that's going to have to... Right, because then that goes in there. Oh, did I already set something up like this? No. Okay. We can make that a little cleaner. Perfect. All right. Now, this is set up with the top belt here. Are those, and that's those. Okay. So, this is basic electronic board. Electronics foundry. Basic electronic board loading. That's what that should be. And then this one is basic circuit board. Circuit board loading. All right. Yeah, I think this is actually going to come in from this side. It's going to come down here. Can I get across? No. Not in one shot. Put that underground, then I can do that. Okay, then that can come in that way. And these are actually going to be utilizing, at least this one is anyway, utilizing this method. Okay. Here's to put all that underground. That actually needs to be over there. The red circuits will come in there. All right, blue circuits. Yep, same deal. All that gold plate out of the way. I think that is going to actually have to move. Not a problem. There we are. All right. Get that out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. And there we go. Everybody's all hooked up. Now I just got to rename the... Got to rename everybody. Okay, that's coming through. Is that the right thing? Basic electronic board. Yes, that is the right thing. There we go. Get that distributing the way it's supposed to be. Well, there's no way we're going to be able to sustain all of these running at the same time. That's just not going to happen. Not at full tilt. And not with the inputs that we currently have available. So... there we go. Oh, missed that spot right there. Okay. And missed that spot right there. And that spot. No, that would be right. Because this is producing 30 per second, 15 per second come over here, and then this is only producing 15 per second, which would only fill half a belt. Yeah, that is correct. All right. Then this is electronic circuit board. Electronic circuit board loading. This is electronic logic board loading. And this is electronic processing board. All right. All right. It seems to be running exactly as intended. So far, so good. All right. And it's a matter of letting all these warehouses load up. It's going to take a while. And then we're good to go. So we're ready to move on to the next project. This one is complete, finally. The next project is going to be a logistics hub. So we're going to make belts, inserters, all the various types of belts, underground belts, splitters, loaders, all that kind of stuff. And anything else I can think of to throw in there. I can't think of everything right now. That's probably what we're going to start with. We're going to have to do all the design work first. So we're going to be spending a lot of time in Hellmod for next episode. So just be ready for that. All right. But we'll go ahead and stop here for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time.